You want to show the people what you got?
You gotta be yawning, yo.
This man gotta wake up. Come on.
You see it?
Ooh, Subaru pitch stop.
So
who's it from? Who's it from?
like,
If they didn't see it in the beginning.
it's from Grimmspeed.
Okay, okay. Our new sponsor.
Both of ours.
Yeah. So we got sponsored by Grimmspeed, both of us. This video is sponsored by Grimmspeed. That's why we got all these parts now. Boom, boom. You got this, what are these called?
The shrouds.
I forgot.
I think they're shrouds.
Now we got the pitch mount stop. Damn. So the one that comes factory is plastic. This is what is this made out of? It's definitely not plastic.
I don't know if it's aluminum or I don't know.
It's just better. It looks better. We're gonna see if we can feel a difference. I don't know. First things first, what do we gotta do?
I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. It seems like we gotta unloosen the charge pipe and then get this bolt. Unloosen the charge pipe, get this bolt, unloosen this, take this off, and then there should be like another clamp.
Yeah, so once we get that out, we'll have access to it. But damn, okay. Okay. What happened to your intake?
Come on, I thought we were gonna speak about that.
Yo, that shit look wrinkly. Yo, Grimmspeed, send my man a new intake.
Yo, man, I got money for that.
Yo.
That's why I had that box there for a reason.
Yeah, just cover it up.
That's so slippery. Let's do this. Wow, pretty easy when you have.
Nice. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Then we just put one.
You gotta unloosen this.
Now rip it out.
Unloosen it with your pinky.
Shut the fuck up.
Show me pinky.
No, we're not showing that until we hit 1 million subscribers. Look at the whip. Look at the whip, guys. Look, don't mind that fitment in the back. It's because I'm on a hill.
Now go show me your pinky.
No, dude. Shut up.
You guys gotta get us to 1 million subscribers so you can show you that pinky. Look at that joke. That joke like it has a brain on it.
They're not gonna talk about. We're not gonna talk about the pinky, all right? Nelson, put your hat on, man. Come on. You forgot your hat. Here.
No, fuck that.
Dude.
Look, I'm about to take
Yeah, I think your head's too big for this anyways.
Shut up. Try to put it on your nose and see if you go.
Shit.
Yeah.
The fuck? Look at that positioning. Wow. What the hell? This man twerking. That ass moving.
That shit hard.
That ass moving, yo.
Oh my.
The hell?
Ooh, I think that jump felt like crap.
Yeah, there you go. So you push up on that side, and then this side you just pull that way.
How
I'm holding onto your pipe.
How you gonna get this back on?
I say you don't put it back on. Dang, dude.
That jump hard, yo.
Abracadabra. Boom. Bam, boy. Saw that magic? You saw that magic.
Man, this jump was bad.
Let me see. Damn, what the hell? How does that even happen? Let me see.
No. Pretty sure I can do that. There's no way.
What the hell?
If you guys want this, come get it.
Yeah, for sale. You have to subscribe to the channel to buy it though.
Yeah.
We'll give it to you for $3. Ew, look at that crusty thing.
Damn.
Look at that crusty thing right there. Alright, alright, it's just two. This one and that one, and then you're good. Alright, so if you guys need any flooring done, hit up this guy in Maryland. That's it.
Is that moving?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold the other side. Nice work.
Oh my god.
You're an idiot.
Dude.
This man literally just dropped the bolt down there somewhere.
Dude, what the heck? Can you see it?
No, it's too dark.
Damn it.
Hey, dude. Nah, I don't know where it is. Damn. You're gonna have to air up.
Damn it.
Did you find it?
Yeah. There you go.
You're an idiot, bruh.
I got long arms.
Look what this man just dropped. Look at that. What a dumbass. Beautiful.
Damn. This is a little heavier too. This is a little lighter.
Let me see.
You hear that?
Okay.
Do that again. You hear that?
That's my bracelet.
Oh. It's a little lighter.
It was a lot different. Let me see.
Show that Grimmspeed.
Looking good, looking
Show them
good.
real good, huh?
Too bad we're not gonna ever see this again
You said what?
until we do something.
Yep. There we go. I think that worked.
Wow, very sexy. It's way much better than this thing.
Very.
This thing is so ugly.
Honestly, this install is like really easy.
This is probably the most easiest thing I've ever done. All right, so this is the end of the video. It was just a short little video. Damn, boy. Damn. Shit. This was just a short little video. Thanks to Grimmspeed for the sponsorship. Really helps us. If you guys want to go shop for some merch like this junk, look at this junk, boy. We got shirts, we got hats, we got this. Just go shacobuilt.com right there. Link in the description. Anything to say?
Nah, we need to drop hoodies.
Oh yeah, we need to drop hoodies. We're gonna drop more things, but thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.